So I'm going to be reviewing the Shayla x Colourpop Perception Palette. Some really pretty colors in here, so I'm going to see what I can create with this. As you can see, I already have my foundation on, my concealer and all of that on. I normally do not do that first, but I'm doing it first today because it's all about the eyes, and just doing the eyeshadow tutorial as well as a lip. So that's why I have like powder packed up under my eyes in case I have fallout. And I'm currently wearing the NARS Natural Radiant foundation, and I really like it. It's very natural looking, lightweight. It's medium coverage, but it's buildable, so I like that. And I'm wearing the Colourpop concealer with that. First, I'm going to base my lids with some concealer. So I'm using the NYX HD Studio concealer, just to put on my eyelids as a base for my shadow. And I know this is like way lighter than my skin tone, but I like it being lighter than my skin tone because it'll help the eyeshadows pop more. And it has a really like drying matte formula, so it's really good as an eyeshadow base. So you definitely have to blend fast. Okay, so next I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use the Colourpop Brow Boss pencil. First, let me brush my brows up. To clean up under my brows, so it's so weird for me to do my foundation first and then my eyes. It just feels so weird. Now it's time to go into this perception palette. So let's see, first I'm going to start with my transition color. I am going to use, oh, and thank God it has a mirror on here. Whew, big help. First I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to use Culture first, which is this tan color right here. I don't know if you can. I'm gonna use that Culture. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the color Thick, which is this orangey color right here. I'm just kind of playing around. I don't know, like, I have no true purpose with this look today, just kind of doing some of everything. But I can appreciate the fact that Makeup Shayla has matte colors as well as metallic colors with her palette, to give you some variety, as well as like the transition colors, you know. And I can appreciate the warm matte transition colors because I need warm colors. Can't do cool tones. I don't know, just not a huge fan of cool tones for myself, you know, for my skin tone. This is tough. kind of want to play with, Sassy, which is this color right here. I don't know if you can see that. So I think I'm gonna do Played Out next to kind of smoke my eye out. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a halo. You know, I probably should use my smaller blending brush for this. That would make sense. Okay, so next I'm going with Sassy, which is this metallic blue brown color, and I'm just gonna tap that in the center of my eye. Just use my finger. Ooh. I like it. I really like that. I really like that. It's pretty. Okay. So now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. No, I'm not. I need to finish my upper lash line. So I'm gonna take my black liner because it's a more dramatic look. So I'm gonna use black liner, my liquid liner, and I just get Wet n Wild because it's cheap and it works good. So okay, in the words of Makeup Shayla, not too shabby. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Do my lower lashes. So I feel like that's easier. It is like really raining outside, like pouring down. Okay, so I'm gonna use my lash primer in this Max, I think it's called Lash Maximizer or something like that. And I'm using the Big Shot Mascara times Makeup Shayla. I love this mascara. Okay, and the lashes I'm going to use today are the Ardell faux mink lashes, and it's the Demi Wispies, or the Wispies I should say. I'm gonna try those out today for the first time, see how that goes. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera, and eyelashes on. Ooh, a little out of focus. I love these lashes. They are so like popping. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my blush, and I'm using MAC Sweetest Cocoa. Y'all know that's my go-to blush color. Such a pretty natural bronzy color blush. Love it. It was the first blush I've ever bought in my life, so I'm kind of partial to it. Along with the Perception palette, I also got Makeup Shayla's and Colourpop's Pose Loose Powder Highlighter. I've never really used a loose powder highlighter, so this is all new for me. I've always been a little intimidated by it. You know, it's a little intimidating, you know. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. It's really pretty, like a coppery peachy color. And I'll get the swatch on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's so pretty. Pretty. So we're gonna try that today. Okay, it's pretty. Some in the inner corner of my eye. Good job, Shayla. Good job. And Colourpop. Love it, love it, love it. Got one more thing. See, I was trying to get the whole collection, and I got it when it first dropped, but immediately the whole collection was sold out. So I could only get certain things in that. So I just went ahead and got the things that I was really interested in getting my hands on. So I got the Luxe lipstick in Quickie. Got that, and it is so pretty. Also, look at that color. And I'll do a swatch. Lipstick. Can you see it? So it's like a peachy nude color. NYX lip liner in the color brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips. Thunder. Want some shine on your lips. Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah, my hair out, earrings on. Now the look is really official and complete. I really like how this came out. Like I said, I went in this with no rhyme or reason on what I was going to do. So I just went ahead and just, you know, led with my heart. So, because there's so many pretty colors in this palette, it's hard to choose. But I would say out of the collection, my favorite thing so far of what I have is definitely the Perception palette. I love all the colors. I think she did an excellent job choosing the colors, and the finishes and everything like that. Amazing job. I would say my next favorite is probably the highlighter powder. Like I said, very intimidating to use a loose highlighter powder. I usually go for a pressed highlighter powder, but this was excellent. You know, it was easy to use. You just got to make sure you tap off the excess off of your fan brush or highlighter brush with it, whatever you use. Tap the excess off. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little more intense. But I love the way it came out. I can't get enough of it. Like I said, I'm really obsessed with this look. Also, I like the lipstick. The only thing is that it's a creamier formula, and with me, creamier formulas sometimes they tend to I guess bleed a little bit. So I always have to like take my finger and do like that to get it off the rim of my mouth, so to say, so that way it won't get on my teeth. But that's not bad. I mean, I love it. To me, it's a great nude. I really like it. I just wish I could have got the gloss, and I think I'm gonna go back and order the gloss now, because I love all of her looks on her YouTube channel that she's done so far using her collection, and the gloss on top just kind of sets it off. But I worked with the gloss I had and I still like it. But yeah, drop down in the comments below and tell me what is your favorite product out of her collection. Let me know if you've gotten her collection yet, and you know, I would love to see, you know, what you guys say, and I'm interested in, you know, checking out some of the other products. I was going to get the Booming highlighter, but I feel like with my skin tone, I thought it might be a little too much. But if someone's like my skin tone or darker and you have Booming, like, let me know the tea on it for real. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And last but not least, strut and slay right on over to colourpop.com and get this collection. Till next time, peace.